बंद हो जाएगी। गो टू मॉल की तो शुरुआत है। यार शूज़ तो देखो, नाइट ड्रेस, वो रहा नाइट ड्रेस, पैंट, सब कुछ है घर में पहनने का। कितना सस्ता सस्ता है। Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to Starfield Library, then we will go to Gangnam to see that statue of Gangnam Style, and then K-Star Road. अभी तक के लिए उतना है. So we are actually going to Gangnam, the main thing. So let's go and I will show you what library view, everything, and let's go. So we got our T-Money card and we are going to Starfield Library by bus. So first time I'm showing you bus, how it's done. I don't know how I can show you or not, but yeah, we are going by bus. We travel by bus, sometimes by cab. And ये पहले डालना पड़ता है. अब जब एंट्री करोगे पहले इसको QR कोड दिखाना पड़ता है, फिर उतर के टाइम भी QR कोड दिखाना पड़ता है. बस यही है. अभी तो हम वेट कर रहे हैं 401 का. दिस इज़ द बस स्टेशन. बस स्टेशन लुक्स लाइक दिस वे. सो मैं ऑपोजिट में बैठी हूँ, तो ऑपोजिट का मैंने सोचा दिखा दिया. या दिस इज़ द बस स्टेशन.
So we have just boarded the bus and look how beautiful it is inside. You will need to tap your card on the reader at the front gate before boarding and then tap it again at the rear gate when you exit. See the red button? You will need to press it before your stop arrives so the bus knows to stop at the next station where you need to get off. This means you will need to know in advance when your stop is approaching so you can press the button beforehand. This is the Korean bus system. This is how it works.
So finally we reached Starfield Coex Mall and we are going to see Starfield Library, and this is the Gangnam statue, Gangnam Style statue. We're gonna click pictures here. Oh my god, last time I came I didn't see that, so this time I was like I have to come.
Starfield Coex Mall is a must-visit destination in Seoul, South Korea, located in the Gangnam district. It is one of the largest underground shopping malls in the world. It includes Starfield Library, Coex Aquarium, Megabox Cinema, shopping and dining. The mall have over 320 brands. The mall offers a diverse range of fashion, lifestyle and gourmet food options. One of the Korea's largest aquariums, showcasing over 40,000 aquatic creatures from around the world, and a stunning open public space with towering overshelves featuring over 50,000 books and 600 magazines. So this is the Starfield Library in Starfield Coex Mall. Finally, we arrived at the Starfield Library. This is the most beautiful library I have ever seen in my life. Look at how tall the bookshelves are. They are currently under renovation, but it's still breathtaking. I tried to read some books, but they all are in Korean, so I couldn't understand. I can only speak a few words of Korean, so I was just taking a video here. This library has become a tourist spot. It feels like people come here more for photos and videos than to read, like me. I mean, look at how long the bookshelves are. They are exactly very taller than me. See, everybody is taking video here. Everybody, each and everybody. I mean, some came for reading, I know, but still. We then moved to the first floor, which is even more stunning. Everywhere is photogenic, like a photo booth. I don't know they have English books or not because I didn't check that. There's also a cake shop here, and the cakes here are very delicious in Korea, you know that. And cafes also where you can grab a bite while reading. So guys, it's a must visit.
Finally we have seen the Starfield Library. Now we are going to eat something. Let's see what we get. And mummy, did you like the library? It's so pretty na, very pretty. And this mall is also very pretty. So right now we are looking for some food. मिल जाए तो yes, मिल जाए तो मैं बताती हूँ.
Finally, I have spotted some food and now I'm extremely hungry. So let's go grab something to eat.
सो फाइनली हम लोग सैंडविच खा रहे हैं। अभी हमें कुछ और लंच के लिए मिला नहीं मॉल में, मतलब हम गुम हो चुके हैं तो मिला नहीं। सो हमें एक स्ट्रीट मिला जो लिखा है फूड कोर्ट टाइप, बट यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही कैफ़े है और शायद 7-Eleven है। सो हम अभी सैंडविच खा रहे हैं। चलो, खाने से मतलब है खा रहे। आज पहली बार नॉन वेज होके हमें खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, पर इट्स ओके। मम्मी कॉफ़ी पी रहे हो आप? कॉफ़ी पियोगे आज? विद शुगर। मम्मी कॉफ़ी पिएगी विद शुगर। सोचो, पहली बार आके साउथ कोरिया में कॉफ़ी पी रही। कॉफ़ी इज़ वेरी फेमस इन साउथ कोरिया, यू नो दैट। सो बस वही है। और पता नहीं आज मेरा ये ड्रेस बहुत ही प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, आई डोंट नो वाई। बट एनीवे, हम स्टारफील्ड लाइब्रेरी में फ़ोटो वोटो खींच लिया है, सब कुछ कर लिया है। ये मॉल थोड़ा और घूमेंगे, फिर गंगनम स्टैचू का उसके बाद फ़ोटो वीडियोज़ लेंगे। फिर एक है के-स्टार रोड, देखती हूँ वो कितना दूर है। वहाँ से फिर जाऊँगी गो टू मॉल से फिर घर, फिर रात का देखेंगे। I don't like this red sauce. I don't know they had put this. अगर पता होता तो मैंने मना करती, उसमें तो रेड लिखा नहीं था। चलो खा लेंगे, क्या कर सकते हैं। और ये कॉफ़ी और ये एक टोस्ट खाते हैं।
Quex Mall has a Quex Artium, a museum showcasing a collection of art and cultural exhibits. They have Kimchi Museum, a museum dedicated to the history and cultural significance of kimchi. Quex Mall has a large beauty and cosmetics section with popular Korean brands like Innisfree, Utede House and more. The mall has a dedicated electronics section featuring popular brands like Samsung, LG, Apple. Quex Mall has a vast array of restaurants serving everything from traditional Korean cuisine to international flavors like Chinese, Japanese, Italian and many more. The mall has numerous cafes including popular chains like Starbucks, Coffee Bean and Korean brands like Cafe Benny. Quex Mall has a large food court with a variety of options including Korean street food, international cuisine and desserts. And when you come out of the mall, you will find programs like this. Look at how beautifully the girl is performing. I mean, you can enjoy this. It's the Gangnam statue, and in the area between the mall and the street, there's always something on the other happening, so you can enjoy that. Finally, we have arrived in front of the Gangnam statue. Outside, you can see a kid over there. They play the song Gangnam Style. It's a Gangnam Style song. When the song plays, you can dance here and take videos. Look, I am dancing to Gangnam Style as much as I know.
So, हम आ गए हैं गो टू मॉल, अंडरग्राउंड मॉल। लास्ट टाइम भी आई थी तो इस बार मम्मी को लेके आई हूँ गो टू मॉल। सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड आई विल शो यू। आई विल शो यू एवरीथिंग। इस बार दिखा दूँगी क्या क्या है, लास्ट टाइम भी दिखाया था, इस बार वापस दिखा दूँगी। सो लेट्स गो।
Finally, I have arrived at the Go-To Mall located right in front of the express bus terminal stop. Here you can find everything: clothes, shoes, home decor items, bedding, dresses, luggage, trolleys, flowers and even food. Everything is so affordable, but you need to bring cash here. Yes, you have to bring cash. Look at the prices: 15,000, 10,000, 5,000 Korean won. They have cute night suits and I have bought some from here. It's so beautiful, I'm speechless. And yes, I bought this jacket also. I loved it. This jacket, I mean, it's so comfy. However, the mall is huge and it will take you 3 to 4 hours to explore it thoroughly. You can take breaks, sit down and eat whenever you're tired. This is a must visit when you're in Korea.
So now we are going to Myeongdong to buy some skincare. Finally, I'm going to buy some skincare and I've changed my outfit. And let's go. हम निकल चुके हैं। अभी हम टी मनी का रिचार्ज करेंगे, फिर हम जाएंगे बस से Myeongdong. Let's go. If you are in Myeongdong, you can't miss the street food here. I'm enjoying grilled prawns and they are so delicious. Whenever I visit, I always find tasty prawns. Please don't miss the street food. It's incredibly tasty. Over here, we have a fruit section where you can get fresh juice. We had some and it was amazing.
Look, there is a poster of the hero from King the Land. You can find everything here from lamb sticks to veg and non-veg options. I am having chicken here and they're grilling them fresh. You can even find octopus. Yeah, I mean everything is here. Everything is written here including prices, and it's only 5,000 Korean won for one steak. You will need to bring cash as not all places accept card payments. This area is dedicated to skincare and street food, so it's a must visit. And they have 10,000, 6,000 Korean won sticks also. This was so hot and extremely spicy when I ate it, but it was so delicious. You can tell by my face how tasty it was. You should definitely try it.
So this is the night market. We got some, some t-shirts and some outfits like this, and we had some night street food. उसका अलग वीडियो आएगा, इसमें ना मैं ऐड नहीं करूँगी कि वो वीडियो मैंने क्या खाया, उसका अलग वीडियो आएगा नाइट स्ट्रीट फूड में मैंने मेयोंडोंग में क्या क्या खाया. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बाई सम स्किन केयर. लेट्स गो. सो हम वापस आ गए हैं इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द लास्ट टाइम. मुझे लग नहीं रहा है और आएंगे, बोला था लेकिन आ गए. तो बिरयानी खाने वाले हैं हम यहाँ पर. मम्मी ही सुपर हैप्पी और हमने देखो कितना सारा स्किन केयर खरीदा है. एंड बहुत सारा एक्चुअली सबका मिला के है. तो हम ये खा रहे हैं, खा के बताते हैं.
So finally we are back to have biryani, and this biryani, I don't know why, it was incredibly tasty. For the first time I had a biryani that tasted like it was from back home while being abroad, so we came back to have it again.
एक जेन्युइन रिएक्शन देना है, एक जेन्युइन खाने का रिव्यू देना है. ओ माय गॉड, ये ताज जो हम कल आए थे ना, आज उसका बिरयानी खाया, चिकन बिरयानी. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स रियली वेरी टेस्टी. कल का खाना ठीक था बट ये बिरयानी बहुत ही टेस्टी है. मुझे तो लग रहा है जाने से पहले मैं और 2 बार खा ही लूँ.
मम्मी बिरयानी कैसा लगा?
वेरी 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 टेस्टी. मम्मी से ऐसा रिएक्शन बहुत मुश्किल से आया है कोरिया में इंडियन का के, पर नहीं, कोरियन खाना बहुत ही टेस्टी है. वो तो मेरा फेवरेट है, पर पता नहीं मुझे बाहर इस बार इंडियन पहली बार खा रही हूँ मैं घूमने आके इतनी बार, पर बहुत ही टेस्टी था. That's all for today's video. We'll be back with a new video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, click on the bell notification and follow me on Instagram.